In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to fix TradingView chart not moving. So if your chart is moving really slow or not at all, what we're gonna have to check is the time frame. So if we go here at the top, we can see that we have different time frames. So we have from 1 second up to 12 months. So you just have to make sure that you choose something really short. Now, as you can see, if you want to see the market second by second, you'll need to buy the premium plan. So basically, now if we go here, as you can see, the chart is moving. So let me go here. As you can see, it's moving in real time. So I set up 1 minute, so every 1 minute a candle will appear. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.